Fix in 5. Got a P0450? Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated on dashboard, fuel odor from fuel tank or engine bay, difficulty starting engine when cold, abnormal fuel pressure release in tank, no apparent symptoms in some cases, vehicle operates normally. Now the most likely causes. Defective or out-of-calibration EVAP pressure sensor, most common cause. Or damaged EVAP sensor connector or wiring. Open or short circuit in wiring between ECM and EVAP sensor. Defective fuel pump affecting fuel tank pressure. Obstructed. What does it cost? Roughly €12.74 to €144.35 doing it yourself, or €52.74 to €184.35 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace the EVAP pressure sensor with a genuine OEM or equivalent part. Repair or replace corroded/damaged sensor connectors and wiring. Clear obstructions from EVAP tubing or replace damaged sections. Inspect and replace fuel pump if pressure regulation is faulty. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0450? The cost to fix P0450 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cost. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0450. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.